Welcome to Chapter 1, Analogy, the matching game of reasoning. Analogy is about finding relationships between pairs. Can you finish the analogies you see here? In this video, you will learn 4 types of analogies: picture, number, alphabet, and word. We will also reveal the secret symbols and the process to solve any analogy problem. The big picture of analogy is that we always look for a matching rule. This rule connects the pictures, numbers, alphabets, or words in a pair. An analogy compares two things that look different but share a matching idea, or same rule. For example, apple is to fruit, as carrot is to vegetable. The secret symbols unlock every analogy. The colon means is to, joining the two things in one pair. The double colon means as, joining the first pair to the second pair. When reading an analogy, the same relationship must appear on both sides. For example, apple is a kind of fruit is the rule. Carrot is a kind of vegetable confirms the same rule applies to the second pair. To solve any analogy problem, follow 4 simple steps. 1. Look at the first pair carefully. 2. Connect the pair by asking how they are joined. 3. Match the second pair the same way. 4. Check if you made all the changes. Type 1 is picture analogy. Match the pictures by what kind of thing they are. Carrot is a vegetable and spinach is a vegetable. Apple is a fruit, so the answer must be another fruit. Type 2 is number analogy. Find the number rule and then use the same rule. 2 to 4 uses the rule multiply by 2. So 3 must be to 6, following the same rule. The answer is C, 6. Type 3 is alphabet analogy. Count the jumps between letters, then jump the same. B to D is plus 2 steps. So X must be to Z, also plus 2 steps. The answer is Z. Type 4 is word analogy. Match words by what they do or how they connect. A bird moves by flying, so a man moves by walking. The correct answer is B, walk. Analogies are all around you. Dog is to bark, as cat is to meow. Sun is today, as moon is tonight. Bird is to sky, as fish is to water. Each pair shares the same relationship. Watch out for common traps. Always keep the order of the pairs, use the same rule for both pairs, don't guess by feel, and always check the numerical rule. Let's solve these together. 1 to 3 is an addition of 2, so 5 to 7. A to C is plus 2 letters, so M, shocked face. Cow-calf is a parent-baby relationship, so cat-kitten. Here is a quick recap of everything we learned. Analogy means matching pairs that share a rule. Is to, is as. Match pictures by category. Find the rule for numbers. Count letter jumps for alphabet, and match by what words do. Now it's practice time with some easy questions. Try these on your own first, and remember, the answers are on the last slide of this video. Good luck with the easy number, alphabet, and word analogies. Next, we have a challenge practice time. These questions are a little trickier. The key is to think about the rule that connects the first pair before applying it to the second pair. Here's the answer key. Check your work for both the easy and challenge questions. Great effort, everyone! Review the rules if you missed any, and keep practicing to master analogies.